Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be looking at how to propagate Gerbera daisies. However, there is a twist in the tale. I had recently asked you all on whether I should also showcase my garden failures, and I had an overwhelming yes. And I like how one of my viewers said that we all are humans and we make mistakes, and shying away from mistakes and highlighting successes only is just an eyewash because the lessons that failure teaches us, nothing else can. In due course of this video, I will also enlist the lessons learned from this experience. So it was, I guess, February end or March beginning that I decided to separate this Gerbera daisy because it had more foliage and no flowers, and the leaves had become small because of overcrowding. So I thought this was the right time to propagate this by separating this plant. So as usual, I took out the plant from the existing container and started separating the plant, making sure I get most of the roots per plant. While doing this, you might lose one or two roots, which is okay, but a plant without roots and just the crown stalk has 0% chance of growing. Then I transferred these cuttings into smaller plastic containers with the existing soil and added some extra sand and compost along the way. And I kept this in a position where it gets morning sunlight and watered this every day. But to my bad luck and dismay, all of them rotted and died. There were signs of life in some, but it also died soon thereafter. So as you all know, that propagating Gerbera daisy from seeds or otherwise is so very difficult, but it is not impossible. So let us write down the lessons I learned from this experience. One is sunlight. So since this was done during the start of summer, I misjudged the intensity of sunlight it was receiving in the area I had kept, and it got too much sunlight for a small plant like this. So the remedy here could be that I should have propagated this during the beginning of January end or end of December when the sunlight in my area is not very intense. And the next reason for failure was watering. So there were times when it received inconsistent watering and I forgot to water it for 1 or 2 days. With the intense summer we experienced this year, the plants could not survive the onslaught. So these were the major 2 reasons why the Gerbera propagation failed, and I really hope that you from this experience find answers to your own problems with the Gerbera daisy and its propagation. For now, I wait for another day to propagate this plant successfully, either from seeds or by separation. So until then, keep watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and goodbye.